Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're meeting here in Woodbridge for Taco Tuesday. Yes, Taco Tuesday. So we have a friend that's about to unveil his BMW M3 here, so that's the reason why I came in. So I can't wait. Right now it's an empty parking lot. I came a little early so that I can get ready for this unveiling. So I'm going to be filming cars that are coming. So follow me on this quick journey. I brought my baby with me.
Perfect.
If you have not subscribed to my page, please subscribe. It is free, doesn't cost you anything, and it does a lot for me. So please support this channel and subscribe and click the like button also and notification icon so that you can get notified anytime I drop content. So I got in early and parking lot is still empty. Got a few people right here right now.
Oh shit! Hey, you gotta get the IG handle. Gotta let them know who it is. Gotta let them know who it is.
Who it is?
Yes, sir. Show.
Show the love. So you know, Boris had to pull up with his new baby right here. I'm hating on him right now, you know. I'm hating, you know. So this guy is really ugly right now. I don't like this thing. Does go up? Who does that, man? Only Boris can do this thing. I'm hating right now. I'm a hater.
Look,
Hey, Boris.
My cars are your cars, bro. Right? What are friends for?
Hey, see? So if you see me pulling up in an i8, it's Boris i8.
I can tell you, make sure you total it.
Okay, well, I'm never driving it since you just mentioned that part. So a lot of people are coming. It's about to be lit. It's about to be lit. Check out this beautiful car, man. GTS on the back, next to the i8. I have some very sad news to tell you guys. My friend told me that the dealership is not done with his car. No unveiling today. So I'm going to end the video today and just hang out with my guys and then bounce after that. So see you guys on the next one. Did you guys peep that dunk right there? Man, crazy dunk. Alright, see you guys later.